morning everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel Leaf Classes. I am Anjali. Children, you know that we are going to start a set of 4 practice papers for our class 10th ICSE children for the subject Computer Applications. And today is the day for the first practice paper. Let me tell you the details. Question paper, like now you are watching the video. So question paper link is there in the description box. You can just go to the description box and check the link for the question paper and download that. Once you download the question paper from the given link, please start doing the answers in your practice notebook or anywhere on the sheets or the practice notebook where you will be doing. Please do the numbering starting from page number 1, 2, 3, 4 if you want to submit your paper, right? Now, after you will attempt all the answers of the question paper, what you have to do, you have to make a single PDF for that. You can use any software for making the PDF. So, you will be clicking the photograph and you have to submit your answer sheet in the PDF format only. And you have to submit only one PDF, not for each answer paper you are making the separate PDFs, no. You have to make only one PDF. Suppose you are writing 9 pages, so just one PDF for 9 pages and each page should have the page number, right? Once you complete making the PDF, you can go to the description box again to check the submission link. But this submission link will be opened at 1:30 p.m. today, right? Now, if you will try to open that link now or before 1:30, you won't be able to submit your file over there. So it will open at 1:30. So what you have to do, you have to go to the description box, download the question paper, attempt the question paper in the serial order, starting from section A, all the questions, then section B, all the questions. Children, for first time for today, the question paper, I have not given any choice. No choice is there in section B. From next turn onwards, I will give you a choice as per the board paper. But since this is the first paper, so no choice is there. Many of you have asked that if you are going to submit only half of the questions of the question paper, will it be a valid entry? Children, here I am not going to give you any marks. Please note it down. I am not going to give you any marks, but I will be reviewing your answer sheets. Reviewing means I will check where you are lacking, where something is missing, where you can improve to get better marks in your exams. So if you will attempt less number of questions, then what I will review, right? So for review, please attempt the maximum number of questions. Children, one more thing, please do the question paper yourself. Don't look into your book, don't ask from anyone, don't search on the net for the answers. Please do everything on your own. That will be a fair entry from your side, right? Now let me tell you about the submission details. At 1:30 when the link will be opened, you have to click on the link. By that time your PDF file should be ready. Now when you will click on that link, you will get a form and there you have to enter your mail address and your name. Children, these two are mandatory, right? Because we will be sending you the Zoom session link or Google Meet link through your mail ID only. If we don't receive your mail ID, we will not be able to send you any details. And one more request, when you will join the Zoom session, please join with your name. If any name like Gaming Boss or Gamer or something like that, you won't be admitted to the Zoom session or Google Meet. Okay. So after entering your mail ID and your name, click on Add File and there you will be allowed to upload your file in PDF format. And once you will upload, definitely I am going to receive, I will check. And children, only 36 valid entries will be accepted. After that, the submission link will be closed. A few of you have asked that whether you will be able to see the question paper afterwards or not. Yes, children, always this video will be there and in the description box the link is there. Whenever you are free, suppose today you are not free, then whenever you are free you can attempt the question papers. Children, these are just the practice papers for your practice, how sincerely you are doing, it is totally up to you, right? Few of you have asked for the answer key for the question paper. Children, we will upload the answer key after the review sessions will be over, that is on Saturday, right? So children, once again I'll just summarize what I said. Go to the description box, download the question paper, attempt the question paper in your practice notebook, give the page numbers starting from page number 1, and after your completion make one single PDF of your answer paper. Again go to the description box and click on the submission link, and there you have to fill your mail ID, your name, and click on add file and upload the file in which you have written your answers in PDF form. And that's it. All the best to all of you. Those who haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and press the bell icon so that you get the notifications for all the videos and no important topic is missed by you. Keep practicing, keep working hard. God bless you, children.